nightingale lived in a tree. For the last few days, she had been making a nest. She was getting ready to lay her eggs in it. A pair of snakes lived in the burrow of the tree. They were watching the nightingale, who was very happy and preparing to lay eggs. One day, the nightingale laid 2 eggs. She was chirping happily, here and there, on the branches of the tree. She did not want to leave her eggs alone, but she had to go in search of food. So she put dry grass on the eggs to cover them for safety. As soon as she left her nest, the snakes came out, climbed up the tree, and ate both the eggs. When the nightingale returned, she became very upset to see that her eggs had been eaten away. The eggshells were lying near the root of the tree. Now she understood everything. When the nightingale sat by her nest, grieving the loss of her eggs, a fiery determination burned within her. She vowed silently to herself,
I will not let the snakes go unpunished for devouring my precious eggs. They have stolen my joy, and I won't spare them for their heartless act.
With a resolute spirit, she devised a cunning plan to seek justice for her unborn chicks. The nightingale went to a garden where the king used to come for his morning walks. The nightingale began singing a sweet song. The king was very happy to hear such a nice tune. Early in the morning, the nightingale was also aware that the king had become happy to hear her sweet song. The king realized that the sweet song of the nightingale made him feel fresh, and he remained happy throughout the day. So the king made it his everyday routine to come to the garden at the right time and hear the warbling of the nightingale. One day, the nightingale did not come to the garden. The king felt sad. He pondered,
why is the nightingale not singing today? Is something wrong? Maybe she is in trouble.
He ordered the guards.
Go, find the nightingale. Discover why she hasn't come to sing in the garden. I value her songs, and if she is in trouble, we must help her. Bring me news of her well-being.
The guards could not find the nightingale. The next day, the nightingale came to the garden, but she was not singing. The king realized that something was wrong with her. He ordered his guards to follow her. The nightingale flew from there and reached the tree. The guards also reached there, following her. They saw that the nightingale was sitting by the side of her nest. There were 3 eggs in it. She had laid eggs again. The nightingale already had a small pebble in her beak. She deliberately dropped it at the root of the tree, thinking that an egg had fallen from the nest. The pair of snakes came out of their holes. The guards saw the snakes Now they could understand the nightingale's problem. They killed them. On the next morning, when the king came to the garden, he heard the melodious voice of the nightingale. She was singing in a very happy mood. The king also became very happy. The nightingale was extremely grateful to the king, as the king had permanently posted guards to take care of her nest. In order to show her gratitude, she would come to the garden every day and make the king happy with her songs.